From above, you can see what makes Rochester Christian University truly unique: a close-knit community designed with purpose. As an intentionally small private liberal arts university, RCU offers something increasingly rare in higher education: a place where you're never just a number. With approximately 1,200 students, we've created the perfect environment to develop not just exceptional students, but whole individuals. Our campus brings together students from across the country and the world, creating a vibrant mosaic of perspectives and experiences. While many call Southeast Michigan home, every student contributes to the rich tapestry of our community. Located in Rochester Hills, one of America's safest cities, our beautiful campus gives you the best of both worlds: a peaceful setting to focus on your studies and personal growth, with the excitement of a major metropolitan area just minutes away. The energy of Detroit is within easy reach, offering world-class sporting events, concert venues, cultural attractions, and internship opportunities that extend your learning far beyond our campus borders. This is more than just a stunning campus. It's a place designed to transform your college experience into something extraordinary.